Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear. If you are new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making dun, dun, Yeearg on toast. Wow, dude, look how simple it looks. Like that picture of Ice King. All right, so we have something right up here. We have something right over here, and we have little Gunther, because look at him, look at them, what a duo. I want to thank you so much to Lind for leaving a comment on the Princess Bubblegum video and suggesting Yeearg on toast. Here we are today to give it a try. I'm really excited to try this because I don't think I've ever cooked with black sesame paste before, so that's pretty neat. And I don't know what to expect, but it's going on toast, so I like toast. I like eating toppings on toast. I don't know, I like toppings. Anyway, but this is what we're making today. There's literally only 2 steps. Only 2. And there's 4 ingredients and 2 things to say here. Nice and simple. Awesome. Thank you so much for the suggestion. I've been playing a lot of Silk songs, so I've been wanting to use all my free time for Silk songs. So you are also a real one for recommending that. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what it says. What's this? A cookbook? Why wasn't I invited to share my frozen anchovies recipe? Oh. Well, if that's the way Finn wants to be, then I'll just have him try a whole jar of Yeearg. After he tries the savory, delicious spread, he'll be begging me to write the whole book. Ice King. Another appreciation for, look at them, they're so cute. Okay, so I tried making this recipe. It turns out that Yeearg is the noise I made upon soiling my taste palace, aka mouth, with this goo. This is not for every palate, dudes. Finn. I'm excited! I'm excited! Dang, Finn is a hater. But yeah, that's what we're making today. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. We are gonna be using a blender. So of course, as always, my trusty little single-use blender or whatever that I bought for smoothies and stopped making. I don't know, I'm really curious. I'm so curious to like make something with black sesame paste. I don't know, I just haven't done it before. I mean, I'm sure I've eaten it, just wasn't aware fully. Yeah, no, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I'm excited. Let's see if I agree with Ice King or if I agree with Finn on trying this out. Let's get started. All right, and here are all of the ingredients. Yep, that's it. Yeah. Wow. Place all ingredients in a blender and puree ingredients, starting slowly and working your way up to high speed. Dude, it looks crazy. Puree it now. Add water a teaspoon at a time if necessary in order to thin the mixture out enough so that the ingredients move freely in blender. Spread mixture in toast, sandwiches, crackers, etc. It smells... it's really pungent, but not in a bad way. I'm really excited. She thick boy! I would say that's a pretty okay spread. Alright, time for the other one. I may have put too much on this one, so I'll put it on this one. Make it even or something. All right, there she is. Yeearg she is. Yeearg she is. And here's the reveal with all the toast crummies everywhere. Dude, I'm excited. Oh! Almost dropped them. Yay! But there it is. I have it on honey wheat toast. My favorite kind of bread. So It smells pretty good. Okay, I don't know what to expect. I do like sesame, so I have a feeling I'm gonna like this. I like sesame and soy sauce. Can't say I am aware of how often I have nutritional yeast, so onion powder, cool. So okay. Okay. Ooh. Let me twist it up and shit. I like this. Okay. Okay. This is awesome. This is so good. Oh my god, it's so good. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to agree with Ice King on this one, which is wild. Oh my god, it's good. It's super good. Okay, so like it's pretty strong. I feel like the flavor is really strong, and I am a big fan of the paste. I'm glad I have it in my cupboard now. So I think it tastes pretty good. I liked it. Like it's pretty good like this, but it tastes a lot better if I have it like squished together and stuff, honestly, because I put a lot on there, I'll be honest. And it like, oh, I don't know. It's like, I guess I'm not very well equipped with like trying to explain the flavors, but it is like, I want to say the word savory, but I'm not confident that's the word. But it is salty, but like not too salty. It's like the perfect amount. And I don't know, it has like a little bit of like a sesame flavor. It has a sesame flavor, like that's what it tastes like. But it's good! I liked it! Thank you so much to Lynn for suggesting this recipe. I enjoyed it. It was so simple, it was straight to the point. And it's just a spread, that's it. And it has, like, it packs a punch in a good way, not in a spicy way, but like, it's like impressionable. I don't know. I don't think I'm making any sense. Anyway, I thought it was really good. That was the recipe that we made for today. Next week, I will be back with finishing off. I have started Prismo's pickles. Then we'll do hamburger monster. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time cookbook, here is a list of options here. Pause to read if you want. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from there, just let me know in the comments down below. Woohoo! Finishing Prismo's pickles next, as well as doing hamburger monster. That's what we got planned. I hope you guys are looking forward to it. Do you guys like spreads? I love spreads, actually. I love a good dip. I like a good, I like a honey jam. I like a jelly. I like a, I guess, a spread. I don't know. I like toppings. I don't know. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Dude, it looks crazy. Puree it now. It smells, it's really pungent, but not in a bad way. I'm really excited. Yeearg she is.